A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
Let's start with a quick revision of what we did last time. So first question to Adnan. هل هذا يوم العطلة يا عدنان؟ هل هذا يوم العطلة؟ What's the answer? هل هذا يوم العطلة? Is this or is today a holiday? You would say yes, نعم هذا يوم العطلة. Yes, this is a holiday. So يوم العطلة is day of holiday.
Yes, Sahara.
Okay, question to you Adnan. هل هذا يوم العمل?
But Sahara, can you just repeat it again?
هل هذا يوم العمل؟
هل هذا يوم العمل؟ Today
Is today a working day?
yeah.
Amal is work. So Yawmul Amal is day of work.
Okay.
Hal hata Yawmul Amal. So how would you answer the question? You'd say Naam or La. Naam is yes, La is no.
La.
La. Limata, why? Why? Limata? Ma hata?
ما هذا يوم
Hata Yawmul Utla. Today is a holiday. What would you say Adnan? Hata?
يوم العطلة.
Yawmul Utla. Very good. Now next question to Sadia.
Yes, sir.
هل هذا اليوم الدراسة؟ الدراسة is studies. Is today a study day? هل هذا اليوم الدراسة؟
لا هذا يوم العطلة.
Today is not a studying day. We are not doing lessons today.
No. Regarding the
Regarding your school
chapter.
lessons. Okay. So لا هذا يوم العطلة. Today is a holiday from your usual school lessons.
Yes, sir.
Now, next question. So next question is either Hazik or Sidra or Nimra. Whoever of you can take it first. هل تفهموا الدرس؟ هل تفهموا الدرس؟ Are you learning the lesson? هل تفهموا الدرس؟
نعم.
وعليكم السلام منيبة. هل أنت or هل أنت تفهموا الدرس؟
भैया हल अंता
نعم هل أنت. If I say هل أنت تفهموا or هل تفهموا, تفهموا already has anta because I'm asking to you. تفهموا is to you. أفهموا تفهموا يفهموا. So if I say هل تفهموا الدرس, it's also complete. هل أنت تفهموا الدرس is more easy to understand and that's also correct. هل أنت or هل أنت تفهموا الدرس? Are you understanding the lesson? Or هل أنت تدرس الدرس? Are you studying the lesson? What would your answer be? Hazik, Nimra, Sidra, Muniba, any of you? Quick guys, we have to start today's lesson. Hal anta tadrusu ad-darsa or hal anti tadrusina ad-darsa? Are you studying the lesson? Sadia, how would you answer this question? Hal anti tadrusina ad-darsa?
Naam,
Naam, what is I? Naam, ana.
Naam, ana tadrusul adarsu.
Tadrusu is you. You study. How do you say I study? How do you say I study?
Adrusu.
Adrusu ad-darsa. Very good. Naam, ana. Adrusu ad-darsa. Yes, I am studying the lesson. Very good. Now, we had requests previously to do numbers. So we will do numbers now.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
What is Kitabun Wahidun?
One book.
One book. What is Thalathatu Kutubin?
Three books.
Three books. Thalathatu is three. Kutubin is books. So three books. What is Arba'atu Awladin?
Four boys.
Four boys. Very good. How would I say five boys?
Khamsatu awladin.
Awladin. Very good. Now, trick question. So far, the subject, this is called the madud, just for terminology, but the subject which is going to get attached to the number, this is masculine. So between 3 and 10, the number is going to be opposite. So if it is men or if it is masculine, the number is going to be feminine. So that's why we see arba'atu, the 2 is feminine. We make this red. So we have seen arba'atu, we've seen thalathatu, and that's because it's going to be opposite. Kitab is masculine. Kutub is many kitab. Kitab is masculine, so the number is going to be feminine. That's why I put thalathatu kutubin. That's why we would say arba'atu awladin. Now, trick question to anyone who can be quick and get it correct. How would I say 5 girls? And girl would be bint.
Arba.
Okay. Banat would be girls. So bintun would be 1.
Khamsatun.
Khamsatun. Khamsatun.
Khamsatu.
Khamsatu.
Bintu.
Banat. So
Bintu.
bint is 1. Banat. Banatun is many.
Khamsu banatun.
Khamsu banatun.
Okay, so we have khamsatu banatun. We have khamsu banatun.
Khamsatun banatun.
You've told me many answers, Adnan. One of them has to be correct. So you're letting me choose the correct answer. Okay. We have khamsatu banatun, khamsatun banatun, and we also have khamsu banatun.
Anything correct?
So which is correct, Adnan?
The khamsatu banatun.
Khamsatu banat. Bint is girl. Is it masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Feminine. Sadia is girl or boy?
Girl.
Girl. Now, if banat is many girls, the number, the banat is girls. Okay, so that is feminine. So the number 5, should it be masculine or feminine? Masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
No.
No, masculine, masculine.
Masculine. So what is masculine? Khamsu or khamsatu?
Khamsatu.
No. Khamsatu is feminine. It has two.
Oh, Hamsa.
Khamsu banatin. Okay. So we have arba'atu awladin. We have thalathatu kutubin. Here we will have khamsu banatin. Okay. This has to be in the in form. Banatin. So it's not going to be khamsu banatun. It's going to be khamsu banatin. And this is the pattern we use for numbers 3 to 10. So this is going to be plural. This is going to be many, and it's going to be in the kasra form. It's going to be in the say form where I'm going to say banatin, I'm going to say awladin, I'm going to say rijalin. Okay, this is what we have already learned. Now nisa, who can remember what is nisa? What is nisaun? What is nisa? Women. Okay, how would I say 7 women? How would I say 7? Mara is 1 woman. How would I say 7 women?
Saba'u, is it?
Yes, sab'u.
Saba'atun or saba'un?
Sab'u. Nisa'in. The nisa'un would become nisa'in. Sab'u nisa'in. That's how I would say 7 women. Now, let's learn it in a fast way, okay? So let's not learn it in a slow way. Let's learn it in a fast way. For that, we are going to Kahoot. We are going to check what you're getting correct and what you're getting wrong so that you can identify your mistakes and you can correct it, inshallah. So that's what we are going to do. Go to Kahoot. Your game pin is 48, 58, 91, 0. Zahan has put a very fancy design to his name. I myself don't know how to do this, although I've been using Kahoot for quite some time. Maybe he's using
Easy,
symbols.
Sahoda. Easy.
The keyboard.
Okay, so use a different font.
No, not font.
In the phone, you
at.
get fonts and all.
Okay, so use a different font.
phone.
Phone.
Only in the phone mostly.
Okay.
In the
Okay, we have Vadnan, we have Anilante, Sadia, Nahidante, Nimra Sidra are also here. We have Zahan. We are missing Rahil Auntie. Hazik is also in. We are missing Muniba. Rahil Auntie is also in. I think Muniba, you're the only one we are missing. And Fuzail.
Even
Fuzail Afifa.
Fuzail. Sahoda, you also can play.
I only made the paper, so I'll get full correct. And I promise.
Sakib uncle, just 1 minute. I'm just joining.
Sure. Sometimes I take the paper just to see how much time is needed. So, and sometimes I get Amreen to take, so that, okay, I might be too fast, but I get Amreen to take it and see how quickly you guys can answer, because Amreen also has just been learning Arabic.
Okay.
So that's what I do. That's why I take the paper. And generally, if I take 30 seconds, I give you 60 seconds. So I do into 2 for the amount of time you would take.
Okay.
Okay, we have Muniba as well. I think we are only missing
Fuzail.
Fuzail Afifa. Fuzail Afifa, आप join कर पा रहे हो Kahoot? Okay, we have Afifa as well. Anyone whom we are missing?
Fuzail.
We have Afifa. Fuzail Afifa are in. Okay, let's start. Let me move this down.
Start.
Okay. First question, guys. Easy question. One of the easiest questions in the quiz. Akala Hamidun Tis'ata Anabin. Akala is 8. Hamid 8. Tis'ata Anabin. Anabin is grapes. Now your question is, what is Tis'ata? Blue 6. Red 9. Green 8. Orange 7. Akala Hamidun Tis'ata Anabin. What is Tis'ata? Blue 6, red 9, green 8, Orange 7. 20 seconds to go. What is this ata?
Ahmed, all 9 answers have come.
Someone else also might have joined twice. Okay, they have 10. Okay, Tisa, what Tisa is 9. Sitta is 6. These are close numbers. So Tisa is 9. Sitta is 6. Here it is Tisa. So answer is 9. Now, question to you, all of you guys. Why is it this ata? Why is it not this atu? It should be this atu, no? This atu is what?
No, because it should be female. Because there is Hamid.
No, you're
Hamidun.
making rules.
No.
Akala Hamidun is Hamid 8. This ata would be because of Anab.
Anab.
But this ata is feminine. This atu is also feminine. Both are feminine. Okay? This u without the tam or bota would be masculine. Now I'm asking you, why is it this ata? Why not this atu? Both are feminine.
It's not the subject.
Just night, auntie?
It is not the subject.
It is not the subject. Very good. This is the correct answer. I thought you would take time. See, akala is the verb. Okay? When you have a verb, akala is Hamid 8. So he did an act of eating in the past. What did Hamid do? Hamid ate. What did Hamid eat? Hamid is the subject. Hamid ne now grapes ko khaya. Hamid ne would be Hamidun. Grapes ko khaya would be tis ata anabin. The tis ata is because it is the object, it's the what. If I didn't have a verb, it would be tis atu. But because I have a verb and the answer to the verb has to be fatha, because otherwise, if I write tis atu anabin, it would not be clear whether tis atu anabin is doing the eating or Hamid is doing the eating. Okay, so that's why when you have a verb, who is doing the eating has to be with the un. That is Hamidun. So it becomes very clear Hamid is eating. What is he eating? He is eating tisata anabe. Okay, so that's why it is tisata, not tisatu. Tisatu would make it the subject. Let's see who got the answer correct fast. Sadia is fast. Sadia is good with numbers. Let's see, Sadia, if you can get my trick questions correct. I have some trick questions correct for you. Nahid auntie is also fast. Anil auntie is also fast. Zahan also fast. Adnan also fast. I think Rahil auntie might be somewhere just below. Okay. Let's go next question. Question 2. Haula'i. Haula'i is these are. Okay. Plural of hada. Haula'i dash rijalin. There are 5 men in the picture. How do you say 5 men? Blue, khamsu. Red, arba'atu. Green, khamsatu. Orange, arba'u. Haula'i dash rijalin. How would you say 5 men? How do you say the 5? Blue, khamsu. Red, arba'atu. Green, khamsatu. Orange, arba'u. Yes, Adnan. Dash number of men. You've got to be quick. 15 seconds to go. Haulai dash rijalan. Your answer is 5. Blue, khamsu. Red, arba'atu. Green, khamsatu. Orange, arba'u. 3 seconds to go. You've got to be super fast. Time is running out. Okay. Adnan's phone doesn't like him. Adnan's phone wants him to get wrong answers. Answer is khamsatu. Rijalin, is it masculine or feminine?
Not green, but still my answer is wrong. I don't know.
Who is angry with you, Zahan? Maybe you have 2 phones and you're trying 2 quizzes, so maybe it doesn't like you.
No, I have only one phone.
Okay, still I think Kahoot doesn't like you. You've been messing with Kahoot a lot. Haulai dash rijalin. Is rijal masculine or feminine? What is rijal?
Masculine.
Masculine.
Men.
So 5 Rijal. Rijal is masculine. The 5, will it be masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
It has to be feminine. It has to be opposite. Okay. Numbers 3 to 10 are opposite numbers. Okay. So let me give you an example. Okay. Now Adnan and Zahan are going shopping. What do you go shopping for, Adnan and Zahan? What do you like to shop? You go shopping for what?
I don't like shopping outside.
You don't like shopping. You don't like.
What do you like to
You don't like shopping for a cycle, or you don't like shopping for toys or games.
No. No,
Okay. Zahan doesn't like shopping. What do you like to
I'm
shop,
happy
Adnan?
riding this.
I like to shop for games.
Games. Which game do you want to buy now?
Now I don't have anything games.
No, you don't want. Do
Don't
you?
play.
You used to play fidget spinner. So do you like the fidget spinner?
Yeah, I used to like one.
Okay. So Adnan went shopping for fidget spinner. Okay. The fidget spinner is 49 rupees. Okay, or let's say 99 rupees. Is this less, Adnan, for a fidget spinner, or is it more?
It's normal, same thing. Price is same.
It's normal. Okay, what about 199?
Too much.
Too much.
Yeah.
Okay.
But still you get it that much.
So every time you go for a sale, okay, you would never see 201. Okay, you
Yeah.
always say 199 because
Yes.
you will see, okay, 199 is less than 200. It looks less. Okay. 99 looks less than 100. Okay, so it has to be less. It's not too much, but it is actually 99. It's 1 rupee less. Okay, so it's 1 rupee discount. Maybe people will do 100 and they'll cut it and they'll say 99. Okay. So it looks less, but actually it's high. So remember this. So 99, it actually is high. So 199 actually is high, but people, when you compare it to 200, you think it is less. It's the opposite. So think of 99. It looks less, but actually it's 9. It's actually high. So with these numbers between 3 and 9, like 9, between 3 and 10, in fact, you would use opposite. So where the male is, say, the object is male, you would use feminine. And where the object is feminine, you would use masculine. So think of this. Think of this 99. 99 looks small, looks less than 100, but actually it's high. So you'd use opposite, just like 99. Now, Sadia has taken little time. Sadia will catch up. Rahil auntie also got 2 answers correct. Hazik Zahan got the second answer wrong. It was an easy question.
I had written it. I had marked it correctly.
Okay, let's see if you can catch up. I have some trick questions, Zahan. Hopefully you can
Anyway,
beat
I also
Sadia
got
with
correctly.
questions.
I also got the correct answer.
Okay, but you got the points or you didn't get the points?
I got less points because I gave answer late.
Late. Oh, okay, then if you get the answer correct, it's okay. Let me see who all can take my trick questions. Okay, question 3. Zarat Khalidatu or Zarat Khadijatu ate Biladin. Balad is country, masculine. Zarat Khadijatu ate Biladin. Okay, Zarat means visited. So Khadija visited 8 countries. How would you write 8? Blue, Thamaniya, red, Thamaniyata, green, Sittata, orange, Sitta. Zarat Khadijatu dash Biladin. Balad is country, Bilad is countries. Time is running out, 20 seconds to go. Blue, Thamaniya, red, Thamaniyata, green, Sittata, orange, Sitta. How do you say 8? 8 feminine. 2 answers to go. Time is running out. 3 seconds to go, guys. You need to be super quick. Okay, we only have 9 answers this time. Thamaniyata is the answer. It has to be feminine, guys. Bilad is countries. Balad, I told you, is masculine. Bilad is countries. So the number with masculine has to be feminine. So it is thamaniyata, it's not thamaniya. If you mark thamaniya, you've made it masculine, which is incorrect. It has to be feminine masculine. 8 is between 3 and 10. It has to be thamaniyata bilad. Balad is masculine, so it's going to be thamaniyata bilad. Okay, so Sadia, Anil auntie, Nahid auntie have gotten it correct. The rest I think have gotten it wrong. Or maybe Hazik has also been correct. Okay, it's okay. Let's catch up with the upcoming questions, inshallah. Anil auntie is doing well. Anil auntie has 3 out of 3 correct answers. Anil auntie has done lots of revision for this class. Okay, question 4. Double point question. Okay, so this is the trick question I was talking about. Jalasti ma'a. Jalasti means she sits. Okay, it's feminine. So there's a girl. She sat, in fact. So jalasti ma'a dash sadiqatin. Okay, 6 sadiqatin. Sadiqatin is female friends. Jalasti ma'a dash sadiqatin. You have to say with 6 female friends. Blue, sitti. Red, sittati. Green, sab'i. Orange, sab'ati. Jalasti ma'a dash sadiqatin. Blue is sitti. Red is sittati. Green is sab'i. Orange is sab'ati. You need to be quick. 15 seconds to go. Dash sadiqatin. 6 sadiqatin. 7 seconds to go. You've got to be super quick. 6 female friends. How do you say the 6?
Only 9 people are answering, not 10.
Yeah, someone's not answering.
Yeah.
Okay. People are evenly divided. This is a double point question. Sadiqatin, is it masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Feminine. So
So you said it has to be the opposite.
it has to be the opposite. So opposite is going to be sittati or
Siddhati
sitti.
is female. Siddhi
Female.
is
So it has to be
Siddhi.
what?
Siddhi.
Sitti, because sittati would be feminine with the tamarbhuta. This is masculine. It has to be masculine without the tamarbhuta. So sitta is 6. So it's going to be sitti sadiqatin. I see Safa has joined us. Safa, have you been able to join Kahoot? You can continue the quiz from here.
Sir.
Okay,
Yes, I have joined.
you have joined. Okay, so Safa is also with us. Now, Sadiqatin, what pattern is this? So I'm saying this is female friends. So what pattern is this? Let me show you. Let me take a word Muslim, okay? Muslimun. What's Muslimun? What does it mean? What does Muslimatun mean?
Muslim.
Believer.
Female.
Is a Muslim. Okay, so one Muslim would be Muslimun. And let me show you few combinations. Okay, so how do we get different words from Muslim? So Muslim would be a Muslim. Okay, and this is masculine. How would I say feminine? A Muslim girl.
Muslimatun.
Muslimatun क्या माँ?
Muslimatun. Muslimatun, like we have Talibun, Talibatun. Muslimun is a Muslim boy or a Muslim man, it's masculine. Muslimatun would be a Muslim girl. Okay, a Muslim feminine would be Muslimatun. Now, Muslimuna would be plural Muslims, masculine. Muslimuna is Muslims. Muslimatun Is Muslims feminine? Now, questions to you guys. If I have many Muslims, masculine and feminine, I have Muslim men and Muslim women. I have both of them, and there are many. Say I have 20 Muslims attending a bayan. There are men and women. Would I use Muslimuna or Muslimatun?
Will it be Muslimuna?
Right? But there are females also, no? So I should say Muslimuna and Muslimatun. No? Should I say both?
Comprises of both, no? Muslimuna means both.
Correct.
No?
So Muslims, Muslimuna is masculine, but if there are both, if there are Muslim men and women, I would use this. I would use Muslimuna. I'd use this form. I'd use a Muslim form. I'd use a masculine form if they're both masculine and feminine. Even if there are, out of the 20 people, even if there are 19 women and 1 man, I would still say Muslimuna because there are both men and women. I would not say majority. Okay. So I would not say, okay, so we have Sadia and Sidra and Nimra, but if I have Adnan also, I'd say Muslimuna. I'd say Muslims. And I'd use a masculine form. Now, this is the subject form. So if I say Muslims prayed, I would say Muslimuna for men, Muslimatun for women. Let's say Muslimuna, Muslimatun. That's what I would say. If I have this in the object form, if I have, I spoke to Muslims. I spoke to Muslim men and I spoke to Muslim women. Okay. I spoke to Muslim men. I spoke to Muslim women. I would not use this form. I would use Muslimina. I'd say Muslimina and I'd say Muslimatin. Okay. Muslimina, Muslimatin is same Muslims, but it's in the object form. This is not the person doing the action, but it's actually the done to. I spoke to someone, I met someone. Whom did I meet? I met someone. Who's meeting? I'm the one who's going and meeting. Whom did I meet? They're part of the detail. You're not the one who's doing the meeting or who's not doing the playing. Okay. So that is Muslimatin. Now, the question is if I say in the masjid, okay, fil masjidi, al masjidi, fil masjidi, khamsu or ashratu. What's ashratu?
10.
10. Okay. I'm saying in the masjid are 10 Muslims. Okay. The masculine and feminine. So I'd say in the masjid are 10 Muslims. Would I say Muslimuna or Muslimina? In the masjid are 10 Muslims.
Muslimina.
Muslimina?
No, it's object now, sir. It's not a subject now, sir. Since it's not a subject, Muslimina will use, no? Can you hear me, Sahib?
Well, just Naidanti. Fil masjidi ashratu Muslimina. Now, the answer you gave is correct, but the reason is not correct. Now, fil masjidi ashratu is the subject because it is ashratu. If it was not the subject, I would say ashrata. If it was the object, okay. Ashratu Muslimina has to be in the kasra form. Okay, the kasra form and the fatha form are this form. This is the object form. So whenever I have a ma'a, I have fi, or I have like this. So ashratu Muslimina, this is the object form. I'd use this.
I didn't understand, Sahib. Can you repeat it, please?
Okay, let me simplify. Let me make it easy. I say arbatu awladin. Okay. I say khamsatu banatin. Okay, I'm saying banatin. I'm not saying banatun. Right?
That's plural. That's plural, no, sir. Clear.
Same for this also. So plural, I always use the kasra and the fatha form is this one. I would use this one. I would say khamsatu muslimina, khamsatu muslimatin. This form is only used where this is the subject. But if something comes before it, okay, or if khamsatu comes, or fi comes, or anything comes, I would use this form. I'd use this one. I'd use this form only if it is purely the subject, without anything else. If it is the object, I would use this. If it is after ma'a, or if it is after some other form, I would always use this form. This form, take it that is purely for the subject. Okay, so what's the object form of this singular? Let me insert a row on top. Okay, I do not know how to insert a row. Okay, let me try here. No, not working. Okay, let me put another row down here. No, that also doesn't work. Okay. So let me make it simple. Muslimun is a Muslim man. Now the object form of it would be Muslimun or Muslimin. Or Muslimin, and we'll see this later. Okay, so when we go to more advanced classes, we'll see why it is Musliman, Muslimin. Muslimatun is purely the subject form. So if I say, oh masjid, oh Muslim was in the masjid, or in the masjid was only one Muslim, okay, he is the subject, he is the one who is in the masjid, I would say Muslimun or Muslimatun for a Muslim girl. But I spoke to a Muslim, I would say Musliman, Muslimatan. That becomes the object. Okay. So in the Muslim's pocket, so I say Muslim's pocket, it would become Muslimatin. Take it that Muslimatun and Muslimun and Muslimuna, Muslimina is used for purely the subject. Now coming to this, let me not confuse it too much. Jalasti ma'a sitti, sitti is masculine. Sadiqatin, this is in the kasra form. Only the dhamma form would be sadiqatun, any other form would be sadiqatin. And that's what you know. Whenever you see atun or atin, you know that it is feminine. So you see atun, atin, this is plural feminine. But you see una and you see ina, this is plural masculine. So just look for these clues. Look for atun, atin, this is plural feminine. Una and ina are plural masculine. Okay, here is sadiqatin, plural feminine. And you would use with it sitti because of ma'a. If there was no ma'a, I would say sittu, but because of ma'a, it's going to be sitti. That's the rule of ma'a. Ma'a is like be, fi, min, it's going to change the word to kasra. So ma'a, sitti, sadiqatin. If it is too much grammar, it's okay. So as we go to that proper rule and as we learn these plurals, you will know this inshallah. So Sadia is good at numbers. Sadia is still doing well. Nahid auntie, Rahil auntie are 2 and 3. Anil auntie got this one wrong. Let's see if Anil auntie can catch up inshallah.
Akram uncle, I had little
Next
network
question.
problem. That is why my
Okay, after this
Chrome had
question,
gone
Munib,
down.
after this question. Okay, so let's do the next question. Fataha Nasirun dash Abwabin. Fataha means opened. Nasir opened. Dash Abwabin. Bab is masculine. It is one door. Abwabin is plural doors. Okay. Bab is masculine. How would you say 4 doors? Blue, Talatata. Red, Talata. Green, Arba'a. orange arba'ata. Fataha nasirun dash abwabin, blue thalathata, red thalatha, green arba'a, orange arba'ata. 15 seconds to go, you need to be quick. Fataha nasirun dash abwabin. Blue thalathata, red thalatha, green arba'a, orange arba'ata. Time is running out. 2 seconds to go. You need to be quick. You're still getting 6 answers. Abwabin is plural doors. Bab is masculine. Abwab is plural of masculine doors. The number is going to be feminine. So that's why it's going to be arba'ata. It's not going to be arba. Arba'ata is feminine. Bab is masculine. So it's going to be feminine, masculine. 4 is between 3 and 10. It's going to follow this rule that the number is going to be opposite. Okay, Muniba, you had a question?
Sakhab uncle, my Chrome network just went, so that is why the car.
Akhbar,
Yes.
I'm not getting this. I'm like not fully understanding.
Okay, let me
For
help
me,
you.
the Kahoot quiz is gone.
You need to do it again, Muniba. So Kahoot is super sensitive. So if you
My
leave
Kahoot is also very slow. It's not coming on you.
Yeah,
the Wi-Fi, it's a network issue, guys. So Kahoot is sensitive. So you need to join Kahoot. Your network needs to be fast, and you need to do one Kahoot start to end. So that's how it works. Okay. So if you've gone out, follow these instructions. Go to kahoot.it. Use GamePen 48 58 910. Use this and come back. Kahoot needs fast network. Okay, so this is how it is because there's a lot of graphics, there's a lot of moving parts. So you need fast Wi-Fi or you need fast mobile internet, and you need to be the start to end. If you leave Kahoot in between, you need to join again, and it will start from scratch. So you'll start the quiz midway. Okay, let me help you, Adnan. Abwabin. Okay, we'll have to go step by step. The word here is abwabin. What is the singular of abwabin? So abwabin is doors, Adnan. What is door? What is one door?
Abwab.
Sorry?
Abwab.
Abwab is doors, many doors. What is one door?
Bab.
Bab is door. The bab is masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Masculine.
Bab is masculine, okay? So babun is a door. This is masculine. Okay? Now, Adnan, if I say 3 doors, I would say abwabin, okay? Because I would not say door. I would not say 3 door. I would say 3 doors. What do I say for doors, Adnan?
Abwabil.
Abwabin. Okay. Now, abwabin. Abwabin is masculine, feminine. Bab is masculine, feminine.
Bab is masculine.
Masculine. Now, 3 is going to be masculine or feminine?
3 going to be feminine.
Feminine. Because door, bab is masculine, 3 has to be feminine. Okay? It's going to be opposite. So it's going to be masculine, feminine, feminine, masculine. Bab, there is no reason for it to be feminine. Okay? So is it going to be thalatha or thalathata?
Alasa.
Sata should be
Wrong,
female.
Adnan. Thalatha or thalathata?
Salasata abwabil.
Thalathata, because thalathata has ta marbuta. We know when we have ta marbuta, it's going to be feminine. So thalatha is masculine, thalathata is feminine. Okay, thalatha is masculine, thalathata is feminine. Abwab is a plural of bab, which is masculine. So I need to have thalathata. I need to have with the ta marbuta to make it feminine. Only then it will be feminine, masculine, which will be correct. Okay, next question to you, Adnan. If I have Muslimatin, Muslimatin is masculine or feminine? It's many Muslims, but is it masculine or feminine? Muslimatin. Muslimatin. Feminine, very good. So if I say Muslimatin, let's take the same number. Let's take 3 Muslim women, okay? Muslimatin, is it masculine or feminine? Muslimatin, Adnan.
Yes, Muslimatin is feminine.
Feminine. So the number, will it be masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Masculine. So is it going to be thalatha or thalathata?
Salasata.
Why is thalathata?
Because it has to be masculine.
Thalathata is masculine or feminine?
Salasata is feminine. Masculine is salasa.
Masculine is
Salasa.
thalatha. Very good. Okay. Now the trick to the quiz, Adnan, is you have to do the same thing very quickly.
Okay.
Okay. You don't have time. I'm giving you very less time. So now you've got the concept, right? So Muslimatin is many Muslim women or many Muslim girls. This is feminine. Thalatha is masculine. So that's thalatha Muslimatin. Thalathata abwabin. One more question before we move to the quiz back. If I have rijalin, what is rijalin, Adnan? What is ma or man rijalin? Ma mana who rijalin? Rajul is man. Rijalin is men. Okay, many men. Rajul is man, one man. Okay, so if I talk about your father, I would say one man. Hada Rajulun, he is a man. If I talk about many men, if I talk about everyone's fathers, I would say Rijal. I would say all of the men are standing there. Okay, so that's why I would use Rijal. Rijal is masculine or feminine? Adnan.
Yeah.
Rijal, masculine or feminine?
Rijal is masculine.
Masculine. So will I say for 3 men, will I say Thalatha Rijalin or Thalathata Rijalin?
Rijali.
Sorry?
Salasata. Salasata. Rijali.
Thalathata Rijalin. Okay, so now you have understood the rule. Now it's about using this rule correctly, which is what we are trying to do in Kahoot. So just Thalathata Rijalin. This is feminine. Rijal is masculine. Feminine, masculine. It is between 3 and 10. The number is 3. It is correct. This will be Thalathata Rijalin. And that is the rule, Adnan.
Thank you, Zavia.
You're welcome. Okay, so now let's practice so that this becomes super clear. Okay, so if I wake up Adnan in the middle of his sleep at 3 o'clock at Tahajjud time, he should still say Arba'ata Abwabin. That is the amount of practice we want to do. And why Arba'ata? Because it is Nasir opened. What did Nasir open? He opened 4 doors. Nasir is the subject, so it is Nasirun. Thalathata Abwabin is the done to. What did he open? Thalathata Abwabin. So that's why it is Thalathata and not Thalathatu. Fataha Nasirun, Thalathata Abwabin. Nahid auntie has been faster. Sadia is also correct, but I think Sadia slightly slower, but very tough competition for 1, 2, 3. All these places are very close. Hazik is not giving Anil auntie a fight. Hazik is getting
It's
wrong
only
answers.
mouse. That one is only mouse.
Yep,
Only
6th
that is
question.
mousey inside.
Hadihi dash kutubin. Okay, easy question, Adnan. You already have this answer. Hadihi dash kutubin. Kutub is plural of kitab. Kitab is book, masculine. Hadihi dash kutubin. Blue, thalathatu. Red, khamsatu. Green, thalathu. Orange, arba'atu. Hadihi dash kutubin. How would you say 3 books? 3 books is what you need. Blue, thalathatu. Red, khamsatu. Green, thalathu. Orange, arba'atu. Hadihi dash kutubin. You need to be quick. 15 seconds to go. Blue, thalathatu. Red, khamsatu. Green, thalathu. Orange, arba'atu. 5 seconds to go. You've got to be super quick. Time is running out. 3 seconds to go. Okay, only 8 people answered this question. Answer is Thalathatu. Thalathatu is 3 books. We need 3. So all of the words have U. It's a question between Thalathatu or Thalathu. Books are masculine, so it will be Thalathatu. It's going to be feminine, masculine. Okay, Hazik is still not doing well. Zahan is up at number 5. Nahid Aunty, Sadia and Rahil Aunty are 1, 2, 3.
Saqib bhai, my answer is not getting registered.
Oh, no problem, Hazik. Let's continue. Dhahabat Khadijatu ila. Khadija went to dash tabibatin mukhtalifatin. Tabibatin mukhtalifatin. Mukhtalifat means different. Okay. Tabibat is plural tabiba. Guess if it is masculine or feminine. I've already told you what is the atin form. Atin form is plural feminine. Tabibat is plural feminine doctors. Now, how do you say 5 feminine doctors? Khadija went to 5 feminine doctors. Dhahabat Khadijatu ila dash. 5 is what you need. Tabibatin mukhtalifatin. Lu khamsati. Red arba'i. Green arba'ati. Orange khamsi. Dhahabat Khadijatu ila dash tabibatin mukhtalifatin. 5 different female doctors. How would you say the 5? Lu khamsati, red arba'i, green arba'ati, orange khamsi. 15 seconds to go. Time is running out. 10 seconds. 5 seconds to go. Okay. Tabibatin is female doctors. Female doctors, so when I say 5 female doctors, I have to say 5 in the masculine form. Only then it will be masculine, feminine. And what is 5 masculine? It would be khamsu, but here I have ila. So remember, hayya bina ilal masjidi, ila al masjidi. Okay, hayya bina ila al madrasati. Dhahaba hamidun ilal masjidi. So where I have ila, I would have the kasra form. So that's why it is ila khamsi talibatin. Khamsi is the masculine form with a kasra because of ila. Ila would make the khamsu into a khamsi. So ila khamsi talibatin. Okay, Sadia and Nadia, Nahid Aunty are fighting close. Rahil Aunty is also catching up. So Rahil Aunty is also very, very close behind. Anil Aunty is 4th. Hazik has got correct answer. So now Kahoot is taking pity on Hazik and is letting Hazik log his answers. Question 8. Ha'ula'i dash 10 rijalin. How would you say 10 rijal? Okay, 10 men. What would you use for 10? Blue tis'u, red tis'atu, green asharu, orange ashratu. Blue ha'ula'i dash, the answer you need is 10 rijalin. Blue tis'u, red tis'atu, green asharu, orange ashratu. How would you say 10 men? 15 seconds to go. 10 men. Think of the male feminine rule. 10 seconds to go. Blue tis'u, red tis'atu, green asharu, orange ashratu. Time's running out. 1 second to go. Okay, only 8 answers the same. Maybe Kahoot is not taking a few answers. Ha'ula'i 10 rijalin. Rijal is masculine. The number you need is feminine, so it is ashratu. Ha'ula'i ashratu rijalin. Right, Adnan has learned the rule now, so Adnan is going to get correct answers. Okay, we are 8 questions down. Last question, okay, and then we will break. We will continue with the next set of questions in tomorrow's class, inshallah. So last question for today. Double points question. Okay, so this is going to be a game changer question. Pay attention. Jalasa Ahmadu ma'a dash mudarrisin. Mudarrisin. Okay. Jalasa Ahmadu means Ahmad sat. Ma'a is with. Ahmad sat with dash. The answer you need is 6. There are 6 other people besides Ahmad. Mudarri seen. Okay, Mudarri seen is male and female. So trick question, guys. Blue sittati, red tisati, green sabati, orange sitti. Need to be quick. 20 seconds to go. Blue sittati, red tisati, green sabati, orange sitti. Jalasa Ahmadu ma'a dash mudarrisin. Okay, 8 people answered. Only 2 correct, guys. Mudarri seen. Okay, who remembers the rule? When they're male and female, what would be treated as? Would I treat it as male or female? What happens if I have 19 women and 1 man in a masjid or in a room? Would I say masculine form or the feminine form? What form would I use, guys, when I have masculine and feminine? Quickly, guys. Last question. So I'm standing between you and lunch, and you and your remaining work. So when I have masculine, feminine, would I use the masculine form or the feminine form?
Feminine form.
No.
Masculine.
I use the masculine form. So if you take the Quran, okay, you would see Muslimun, you would see Muslimin. So where it's a common address, okay, Humut Dalimun, they are the wrongdoers. So it's the Una form. So where you have male and female, you always use the masculine form. Even if there's 1 man, you would use the masculine form. Okay, and here that's also mentioned. So Muslimin, we have said masculine and feminine. This is treated as masculine. So the number you need for 6, do you need masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Mudarrisin is
People are
masculine.
leaving.
The number is going to be masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Masculine.
No.
No, feminine. Feminine.
Feminine, because Mudarrisin is masculine and feminine. So you'll treat it as masculine. Okay, Mudarrisin, you treat it as masculine. So the number has to be feminine. It has to be sittati. It cannot be sitti. Just because this is masculine, this is treated as masculine. Muslimin or Mudarrisin would be 6, and the Ina form is the masculine form. Okay, so I use feminine for the number. Only 2 people got it correct. So let's see. Sadia, Nahid aunty, Rahil aunty, everyone wrong. Hazik got it correct. Okay, so the first 3 places are not changing. Adil aunty is also unaffected. Hazik and someone else has moved up.
After you gave, I got all correct except this.
I got it correct.
I came 6th place.
6th place not good enough, Adnan. You need to be top 3.
So after you told, then I got all correct except the
Okay,
last
after
one.
I told. Okay, so now you've understood.
Except the last one.
Okay, so tomorrow also we are going to continue with numbers. So tomorrow, let us see if Adnan is going to be 1, 2, 3. Okay, maybe there was some issue with Kahoot today. So I think few more people said that they got the correct answer, but it's okay. At least basis what Kahoot thinks right now. What Kahoot thinks is number 3. Kahoot thinks it is Rahil aunty, 7 out of 9. Kahoot thinks second is Nahid aunty, 7 out of 9. Sadia is also 7 out of 9, but Sadia is just slightly faster. Because Sadia is a young girl. Versus Rahil aunty, Nahid aunty, she is faster. Okay, so well done, guys. What we are going to do tomorrow, and I'll tell you what to see in case you have time. For tomorrow, congrats to the winners. Well done. So Sadia aunty, Nahid aunty, Rahil aunty, well done. We learned quite a few concepts today and it was a little tough. We are going to see the first person. Okay, so if I say the first position goes to Sadia, the second position goes to Nahid aunty, third position goes to Rahil aunty. I would not say Wahid, Ithnan, Thalatha. That is 1, 2, 3. But if I say the first, and if I say the second, if I say the third, I would not say Wahid, Thalatha, Ithnan, That is 1, 2, 3. How do I say the first? I have to say the. I would say al. Okay. So ad-darsu, if I say the first chapter, I would say ad-darsu al-awwal. Okay. Ad-darsu al-awwal is how I would say first.
Okay.
Okay. If it is feminine, this is masculine, dars is masculine. If I say the first page, I would say as-safhatul ula. Ula is the first feminine. And the first is little difficult. Okay. So ad-darsul awwal, as-safhatul ula. This is a little difficult, but the rest are pretty easy. So the rest go like this. So if you open Al-Arabiyatu Baina Yadayk, we are in the 4th chapter. Behind the 4th chapter, page 111, you would see what you need. Okay. In fact, let me show it to you here. You go to Al-Arabiyatu Baina Yadayk, page 111. You would see this in behind lesson 4 and behind the remaining lessons. You would see. Okay, I am missing it. 5 examples. Okay, here it is. So that's what you see there. If I have a rider who's masculine, okay, I want to say the first rider. Okay, and this is from that page, from that book. I have to say al, because it is the first. I would say al-awwal. We'll think of awwal kalima. Okay, awwal kalima is the first kalima. So al-awwal is the first. Al-thani is the second. Al-thalith is third. Al-rabi is fourth. Al-khamis is fifth. Al-sadis is sixth. Al-sabi is seventh. Al-thamin is eighth. Al-tasi is ninth. Al-ashir is 10th. Okay, this you'll see behind lesson 4 and I think maybe lesson 5. So lesson 4 will have 1 to 5. Lesson 5 will have 6 to 10. It's actually very easy. Okay, so think of adding an al in front of the verb. Thalatha is 3. I put an al. Al-thalith is third. Third person would be person, the person, and I would say al-thalith. For feminine is even more easy. Okay, I just take these, I add a ta marbuta at the end. Awwal is an exception, so al-awwal would become al-ula, but it will become al-thaniyata, al-thalithata, or rabiata, or al-rabiya, al-khamisa, al-sabiya, al-sadisa, al-sabiya, al-thamina, al-tasiya, al-ashira. This is what you're going to do tomorrow. If you have time, try to go through page 111 in your book. Okay, and also 112 because this has feminine. So you will see for third, for example, so thalatha is 3. Thalatha 2 rijalin would be 3 men. Now al-thalith is the third masculine. For time is as-sa'ata. Okay, as-sa'ata has ta marbuta as feminine. So for 3 it would become al-thalithata. Al-thalithata, third feminine. Okay, al-thalith or al-thalitha without the ta marbuta is third masculine. So this is what we are going to learn tomorrow, but it might become confusing with too many numbers. So if you have time, try to go through page 111 in the book, and the previous chapters have 1, 2, 3. This chapter has first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, if you do a little bit of practice, you won't get confused tomorrow. So Adnan, if you want to win tomorrow's quiz, what should you do?
He left.
Adnan left. So Adnan is happy he's completed the quiz. So if Adnan has to win tomorrow, he's got to go through page 111 and 112 in the book.
Will this also come in the quiz, Sakabaya? First, second place?
Yeah, the upcoming questions are first, second, third.
Okay.
So that's what we couldn't do today. Today we went a little slow, but tomorrow this is what we are going to learn, inshallah. So 111 and 112 in the book for whoever has time. If you don't have time, we are going slow, inshallah. Okay. So Sadia has test. A lot of others will have tests and exams. So if that is the case, don't worry. Come directly to the class tomorrow and we will learn this together, inshallah. That is the class today. Let me end. Let me stay back 2 minutes in case any of you guys have questions. Safa, I think you joined late. If you have questions, stay back 5 minutes after the class. I'll end the class here. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. wastaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Ma salama. See you tomorrow at 12:30 inshallah.
Jazakallah